Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fun Art. Today let us see the 12th question of exercise 10.2 of chapter 10 circles. It is an important question and a different kind of question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. This is the given diagram. They have given CD 6 cm and BD is 8 cm and a circle with center O, and it is circumscribed by the triangle ABC. Let us do a small construction. Let us join the point of contacts of side AB and AC and name them E and F. From this we will know that point A, B, C are the external points and the tangents drawn from the external point to circle are equal length according to theorem 10.2. CD is 6 cm and CF is 6 cm. Similarly, BD is 8 cm, BE is 8 cm. Let's take AF as x cm, then AE also becomes x cm, since they are the external points. We can find the sides by using the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height. From a 9th standard, we also know that area of triangle can be found using Herons formula. What is our Herons formula? Herons formula states that area of triangle ABC is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle and ABC are the sides of the triangle. Let us initially find the S of this triangle. Let us consider A as side AB, that is x plus 8, B as BC, that is 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 cm, and C as AC, that is x plus 6. Let us find S. S is A plus B plus C by 2. Substituting them, x plus 8 plus 14 plus x plus 6 by 2. We get 2x plus 28 by 2. Taking 2 common, we get x plus 14 divided by 2. Cancelling out 2, we get S as x plus 14. Now substituting S in Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substituting the values, root of x plus 14 into x plus 14 minus of A is x plus 8 into x plus 14 minus B is 14, closing bracket, then C is x plus 14 minus of x plus 6. Solving them, root of x plus 14 into x plus 14 minus x minus 8 into 14 gets cancelled, x into x plus 14 minus x minus 6. We get root of x plus 14 into x gets cancelled, 14 minus 8 is 6, x into x gets cancelled, 14 minus 6 is 8. Further solving, we get root of x plus 14 into 8 6 are 48x. Let us keep it as such. Therefore, we have got area of triangle ABC is root of x plus 14 into 48x. To equate them, we have to get the area of triangle using our another known formula, half into base into height. Here we will be getting the base, but we cannot find the height. So let us construct a small diagram, small line. Join the vertices of the triangle to the center. I will draw as a dotted line. Now we will get 3 triangles with base and height. Triangle AOC, triangle AOB and triangle BOC. So we know area of triangle ABC is the sum of these 3 triangles. I will draw the diagram once again as a rough diagram. a triangle circumscribing a circle. Center O, ABC, joining the vertices and naming them here. This is 6, this is 8, similarly this is 8, x and x. We know that area of triangle ABC can be divided into the sum of three triangles. Area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. Right, expanding them, half into base of triangle AOB is AB into height is OE plus half of base of triangle BOC is BC and the height is radius OD. Similarly, area of triangle AOC is half into base AC into height OF. Substituting their values, half into AB is x plus 8 into OE is radius. Radius is given as 4 centimeter. Substituting them. Similarly, in triangle 2, that is triangle BOC, BC is 8 plus 6, that is 14, and OD is 4. Plus, in triangle AOC, half into AC is x plus 6 into radius 4. Solving them, 2 4's 2 gets cancelled and we get 2x plus 16 plus 2 we get 14 2s are 28 plus 2 gets cancelled and 2x plus 12. We get 4x plus 28 plus 12 plus 16 is 56. Taking 4 common, we get x plus 14. We can equate this to the equation 1, area received using Herons formula. Equating to equation 1, we get root of x plus 14 into 48x is equal to 4 into x plus 14. Squaring on both sides, this gets cancelled. We get x plus 14 into 48x is equal to 4 square into x plus 14 the whole square. We get x plus 14 into 48x is equal to 16 into x plus 14 the whole square. Rearranging the terms, we get 48x divided by 16 is equal to x plus 14 the whole square divided by x plus 14. You can cancel out one term, such that we get 48x by 16 is 3. 3x is equal to x plus 14. On further simplifying, we get 2x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. Substituting the values on sides AB and AC, AB is written as x plus 8, that is 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 centimeter. Similarly, AC is written as x plus 6, that is 7 plus 6, which is received as 13 centimeter. This is an important question and a different kind of question. Watch the video once again to understand it more clearly. Thank you. Happy learning.